Welcome! In front of me is a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible. So once that is the case for you, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. It gives you this pop-up with a scroll and send option. Scroll option is accessible to you when you have content that can scroll down on, for instance, like the settings page. Now, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application. There we go. And it's going to appear under Today if you have just captured it. But later on, if you want to find it, you might have an easier time. Never mind, it's also stored on the camera, which doesn't make it any convenient. The reason I'm kind of pointing that out is because most devices create a specific album called screenshots or screen recordings, but Xiaomi just decides that, we don't need that. And it's smack in the middle along with your photos and videos, which, as you can imagine, if you capture a lot of screenshots, that is going to get very kind of messy. But in any case, that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.